All right, got my new fan in the mail yesterday, so we're going to check this out together. This is just some cheap off-brand, so cheap in fact they put the instruction manual just on the box. But anyway, there's the cable it came with, a little USB-C recharging cable. All right, what this bad boy's like. There is the fan. Looks like it's got a giant clamp, which is very, very cool. Oh yeah. It's on low. Medium. Oh, it's got some power to it. And high feels pretty good too right now. It's 96 degrees. 96 degrees here in Kentucky. We have 40% humidity. Hope you're hearing me okay. Looks like it also has a 1 hour, 3 hour, or 5 hour timer you can set, which is pretty cool. And it has a light. Low, medium, off. Low and high, I guess. No medium, just low and high. And what's also pretty cool is it comes with this remote control that just slides in there. So that's pretty cool. I have to pull this out first. Yep. Oh, nice. Yeah, this, I'll put some Velcro on this probably and put it in my own little spot. But anyway, this is my new fan. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. Where's that remote? So this is a rechargeable clip-on fan, remote control edition. My previous, so my previous fan, it died on me. I used it so much. I got this fan because it had a pretty substantial battery. I believe it's 12,800 milliamp hours. So a little bit more substantial. It's not saying here on the back. It's supposed to be an 8-inch compact size fan. But to me, the blade looks 6 inches. What do you think? Does this look like an 8-inch blade or an 8-inch fan? They probably meant 8-inch fan housing cover. Anyway, yeah, so, oh, it also has this really cheap hook, so you could hang it. I broke my other one when I was hanging it like that, so I probably won't use that. But yeah, it's a nice, good size. So I'll put a link to this particular fan in the description of this video. Yeah, we're going to test it out. It's got a cool little handle here too as well. I guess that's what that is. So yeah, I'll put a link to this. Very affordable. So yeah, thanks for watching.